Maverick some questions and we have to answer them. Whoever gets the least amount of answers right gets slime dumped on them. Nasty, yucky slime. Who do you think's gonna win? Mommy or Daddy? Who's gonna win?
Mommy.
What?
Alright, what's the first question?
First question, what is your favorite color? So,
Blue.
You're not supposed to answer.
Mommy and Daddy's supposed to answer.
Okay, next question.
no.
Don't answer the questions, okay?
What is your favorite food?
Don't answer.
Don't answer.
Don't you?
I say chicken and fries.
I said chicken nuggets and fries.
What did Maverick say?
What is your favorite food?
Juice.
Oh no!
Yes. No, I mean. So,
Juice, really? That's not a food.
what is your favorite candy?
Ready? Cake.
Judges.
Please say candy bros. I don't know.
Candy what?
Bros.
Candy bras?
What is your favorite candy?
Which one do you like?
Candy bars.
Candy?
Candy bars, but
Oh, candy bars.
Yes.
Dang.
Okay.
We're both getting slimed. What's the next
Okay.
question?
What is your favorite fruit?
Shh. I say lemon.
I said apples.
No. What is your favorite fruit?
Like banana.
Banana? Bananas? Bananas or orange?
What is the last answer? Banana or orange? What is your?
Lemon.
Banana.
Okay.
Bananas are lemon.
Yellow. It's banana. So.
Bananas?
Bananas.
Oh my goodness.
Who is your favorite YouTuber? So.
I say Funnel Vision, but Maverick calls them the bad kids.
I said Demi Lovato.
Actually,
And
he said kids,
bananas.
but not
He's
bad.
Oh, no, but he said the bad
He
kids.
said kids.
Okay, Rebecca gets 1 point.
Yeah.
Rebecca
So,
gets 1
that's what
point.
I meant.
I will hear
Rebecca or
Rebecca. 1.
You're getting slimed.
Who is your favorite YouTuber? Who you like to watch on YouTube? Kids.
Kids.
Okay. Where is your favorite place to eat? So shh.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Nay.
What did he say?
Where is your favorite place to eat?
On the table.
Restaurant.
In the restaurant.
Sorry guys. So lost again.
Cookie bar.
Cookie farted. Yana's dog is here and he barks a lot. Said poo, Cookie. He wasn't even in here.
Next question. What is your favorite ice cream?
I say white.
I said chocolate.
Okay. So what is your favorite ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Yes, guys.
He
Banana.
always answers white. He doesn't ever say vanilla.
Banana.
He says white.
We just said
Man,
Banana.
I was so close.
Who cooks better, mommy or daddy? Shh.
I said Daddy.
Actually,
Mommy.
So, who's cook better, mommy or daddy? Who cooks better?
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy or mommy?
Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy.
Okay. He said it 2 times.
Yeah.
He said it 2 times.
So we,
Good.
mommy
Okay.
or daddy.
This is Robin.
Okay.
Which one is it?
Ice
Mommy or daddy? Who cooked better? Mommy. Are you sure?
It's okay.
Yes.
10 minutes time to be sure.
Mommy 2, Daddy 0.
What is your favorite train? So,
I said Cargo train.
I said passenger train.
What is your favorite train?
Passenger train.
She wins. Yes, Rebecca, good.
Yay!
Oh my God, Daddy.
Have you done any of them right yet?
No.
Yes.
The next question, what is your favorite car?
Don't cheat.
I said VW.
I say race car.
What is your favorite car?
Race car.
A race car.
Good. And also, Rebecca now she has 4 points.
And you have
And
0.
She has 0. I write it here, so don't look. Hey, don't cheat, Vic. What is your favorite airplane? Shh. Don't say.
I said Lufthansa.
I said Lufthansa.
What is your favorite airplane?
Lufthansa.
Yeah.
You Lufthansa.
1-1. You win
I just
together.
Aw, gotta finally got
So
a
the
point.
last question, what is your favorite toy?
I say trains.
Brio wood train.
No, it's wrong. It's
Airplanes.
airplanes.
Your airplanes.
Sorry guys.
Game over.
Winner, winner, winner.
All right. Are we ready to slime Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Together.
Do it. I will help you.
All right.
1,
2, 3. It got everywhere. Make sure we get it all out. Ah, look at the floor.
You're gonna slide also.
I am.
I just want everybody to know that this is the second time I'm getting slimed because somebody didn't press the record button and somebody's big head was in the way.
All right.
And just letting you know, this stuff is very slippery because I already fell and had to take an ibuprofen.
Getting out of the shower. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, Nick.
They did got her. How's it feel to be slammed twice in one day?
I think it's good for the hair.
What do you think?
Alright, that's it everybody. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like it and subscribe.
Subscribe.
I get a cloth for my eyeball.
Please like and subscribe.
Drums. Drums.
It's looking good quality.
Drums.